Today we are replacing security film. You can see behind me the security film in this particular building. It's worn out, it's had its glory day, it's all done for. We are replacing it with our XPEL Vision 7mm security film. Security film is there to protect you from unwanted entry. It will deter somebody from trying to break in and also just add some safety to the glass in case it breaks. We are all finished. The XPEL Vision 7mm security film now has been completed on this project. This customer now will be protected for years and years down the road. It's going to look good for years and years down the road. Go to xpel.com to find your local authorized dealer.